Hi, good morning everyone. So I'd like to take this opportunity lang ba to translate words kay I have a friend or ka-team na Tagalog. So this video if gusto mong makaintindi ng mga Bisaya common words, watch this. So let's start with kumusta. Kumusta in Bisaya, and then kumusta sadya in Tagalog, I think. Something like kumusta, how are you? I think sa Tagalog kumusta din yan. And then salamat, I think salamat din siya in Tagalog, and then thank you in English. So interrogative, let's interrogative mga words sa Bisaya. So let's start with unsa. Unsa or what? So unsa in Bisaya, ano in Tagalog, and then what in English. And then asa, saan in Tagalog, where in English. So asa, saan in Tagalog, where in English. Next is tagpila or tagpila. Normally kasi gahi jud ang ang tigas ng Bisaya So tagpila or tagpila. So in Tagalog, magkano? In English, how much? Again, tagpila, magkano, how much? And then next one is simple lang, oo or o. Then opo, something like in Tagalog, and then yes in English. So o or oo, and Bisaya, opo or oo din in Tagalog, and then yes in English. So simple lang siya pero magamit siya pag hindi mo talaga siya naintindihan. Tapos dili in Bisaya meaning no. Ano ang dili sa dili sa Tagalog? Dili. Dili. Ang hirap talaga ang Tagalog. Dili. No. Basta no siya. Dili. No. And dili sa Tagalog hindi. No. Parang ganon, yeah. Pero pag hindi tama yung translation ko, you can comment down naman para matulungan natin yung mga kakilala nating Tagalog. Next one. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag is magandang umaga. Good morning. Maayong buntag. In Bisaya, magandang umaga. In Tagalog, good morning in English. Next one is way sapayan. Way sapayan. You're welcome. Ano sa Tagalog yung way sapayan? Salamat. Walang anuman in Tagalog. So, way sapayan in Bisaya. Walang anuman in Tagalog, and then you're welcome in English. Hindi ako masyadong prepare. Sorry, I'm just looking at the copy na lang sa Bisaya copy na mga word, but hindi ko nilagay yung mga talaga niya translation. Next one is pasaylo ako. We normally Bisaya we say it as pasaylo, but normally we use it sorry, pero sa Bisaya talaga that is pasaylo ako, meaning um, patawad in Tagalog, and then in English, I'm sorry. So in Bisaya, pasaylo ako, patawad in Tagalog, and then in English, sorry. I'm sorry. Next one. Lami. Lami, masarap. Lami in Bisaya. Lami in Bisaya. Lami, uy, ano ba? Wow, kalami. Normally we say it man. So, lami, ano ba? Lami is masarap in Tagalog, and then yummy or delicious in English. And then next one, amigo or amiga, kaibigan in Tagalog, and then in English, friend. But in Bisaya, when we say amigo, that is a lalaki na friend. And then amiga, babae na friend or babae na kaibigan. And then gimingaw ko nimo. In Bisaya, gimingaw ko nimo. Gimingaw jud ko nimo ay. In Bisaya. And Tagalog, namiss kita. Gimingaw ko nimo in Bisaya. Namiss kita in Tagalog. In English, I miss you. Next one. Mauni, ito yung tinatanong niya sa akin. Ano yung amping? Kasi palaging sinasabi sa team is, amping. Amping everyone. So, amping is, amping in Bisaya. Tapos, in Tagalog is, mag-ingat ka. And then, in English, take care. So, amping in Bisaya. And then, mag-ingat ka in Tagalog. And then, take care in English. Next word. Kaunta. Kaunta in Bisaya. Kain. Kain tayo. And in Tagalog. And then, in English, let's eat. So, kaunta in Bisaya. Kain tayo. In Tagalog, let's eat. In English. Next one. Still have more here. So, kani mga question nito. So, asa tapadong? Asa tapadong in Bisaya? Saan tayo patutungo? In Tagalog? In English, where are we going? And again, in Bisaya, asa tapadong? In Tagalog, saan tayo? Or saan punta? Normally, they use it, saan punta? Or saan tayo patutungo? And then, in English, where are we going? That's it. And then, next one, unsay mo ngalan? But we normally say it talaga. Unsay pangani mo eh? Or, unsay mong pangan? Unsay ngani mo? Yeah, that's it. Unsay ngani mo? Pure Bisaya jud ka, if moingon jud ka nga, unsay ngani mo? That is normally nagagamitin talaga namin. So, unsay mo ngalan? Unsay pangani mo? Unsay ngani mo? Mao dyan na kasagaran, kadalasan namin ginagamit. So, unsay mo ngalan? In Bisaya. And then, in Tagalog, anong pangalan mo? In English, what is your name? Again, unsay mo ngalan? In Bisaya, anong pangalan mo? In Tagalog, What is your name in English? Next one. Kinsa na? Kinsa na in Bisaya? Kinsa na in Bisaya? Sino siya? Or, yeah. Kinsa na? Sino siya? In Tagalog. And in English, who is that? So, kinsa na in Bisaya. Sino siya in Tagalog? Who is that in English? And then, next word is, I think masulti na nun ako siya. Nadoble. I don't know if nadoble, but in Bisaya, tagpila ni refer to something like yung parang bumibili ka ba, tapos gusto mo malaman yung price. Normally in Bisaya we say it like tagpila ni. Let's say this one. Tagpila ni. We called it pugong. And then in Tagalog, they called it pantali. In English, I don't not know. I'm not too good in English, actually. So, tagpila ni. Tagpila ni in Bisaya. And then in Tagalog, magkano? In English, how much? Okay. Next word is pwede ko. In Bisaya, pwede ko. In Bisaya, pwede ba ako? Or in English, can I? Can I? Something like that. And then, yeah. Pero if may mali ako, you can comment down. No harsh comment lang po. Ako lang ang may karapatan mag-harsh comment. Joke. Next one. So I think this is I have to last word na lang. Dako. Dako. Kasi natanong niya sa akin, ano yung dako? Ano? So, dako is in Tagalog, malaki. And then in English, big. And then last one, gamay. Gamay in Bisaya. And then in Tagalog, maliit. Gamay, maliit. And English, small. So, I think that's all for today. Kana lang sa, or yan lang muna. And then, see you on the next video. Maghanap ako ng mga common words ng mga Bisaya. And, normally, na ginagamit po namin. Thank you for watching.